If your Namecheap email is not receiving emails, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to check your domain settings, fix DNS issues, and get your inbox receiving mail again. This is one of the most common email problems for domain owners. And the good news is that it can usually be fixed with a few quick checks inside your Namecheap account. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Domain List and find the domain that's having the email issue. Next to that domain, click Manage. This takes you to the domain settings page, where you can check the DNS and mail configuration. The first thing you want to look at is which Nameservers your domain is using. This matters because your email records only work properly if your DNS is pointed to the right place. If your Nameservers are not set correctly, your mail routing may not be working at all. If you are using Namecheap Basic DNS, that means your DNS records are managed directly inside Namecheap, and you should continue with the next step. From the domain settings, go to the Advanced DNS tab. Then scroll down and find Mail Settings. If you are using Namecheap Private Email, make sure Private Email is selected here. This tells Namecheap to apply the correct mail setup for their email service. If the wrong mail setting is selected, your messages may never reach your inbox, even if everything else looks fine. Now, if you are using a custom email provider instead of Namecheap Private Email, you need to check your MX records. MX records are what tell the internet where to deliver your email. In the Advanced DNS section, look for the MX records and compare them with the values provided by your email service. Make sure they match exactly. Even one incorrect priority or server name can cause mail delivery problems. If you find any old MX records or conflicting records from a previous email setup, remove them. Conflicting MX entries can confuse mail delivery and stop new emails from being received. Keeping only the correct records is a very important part of the fix. Another thing you should check is whether there is a CNAME record for the root domain, also called the @ record. This is important because a CNAME on the root domain can override MX records and prevent email from being delivered properly. If you see a CNAME set for @, that can be the reason your Namecheap email is not receiving messages. In most cases, the root domain should not have a CNAME if you are using MX-based email routing. Review your DNS records carefully, remove anything that conflicts, and make sure your email setup matches the service you are actually using. Once you've checked the Nameservers, selected the correct mail settings, verified the MX records, removed old entries, and confirmed there is no root CNAME conflict, save your changes and give the DNS time to update. DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate, so if email does not work instantly, wait a little while and test again. At this point, your Namecheap email should start receiving messages normally. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.